Java history. Java was first developed in the mid-1990s by a team of engineers at Sun Microsystems, led by James Gosling. The goal of the project was to create a programming language that could be used to develop interactive and dynamic applications for consumer devices, such as televisions and set-top boxes. The first version of Java, known as Java 1.0, was released in 1996. It quickly gained popularity among developers due to its platform-independent nature and built-in security features. Over the next several years, Sun Microsystems continued to release new versions of Java, adding new features and improving performance. In 2010, Sun Microsystems was acquired by Oracle Corporation, which continues to maintain and develop Java. Today, Java is widely used for developing a wide range of applications, including desktop applications, web applications, mobile applications, and enterprise applications. It is estimated that Java is used by over 9 million developers worldwide and runs on over 7 billion devices. In addition to its popularity among developers, Java has also been embraced by the academic community and is widely taught in universities and colleges around the world. This has helped to ensure its continued growth and evolution, making Java one of the most important programming languages in use today.